Hey there! Well, everybody loves a top 5 video, right? So here are my top 5 rarest Swiss Army knives. Not the rarest, but my rarest. These are the knives I consider having been the most difficult to find and acquire. So, what's your rarest, best, or at least most favorite Swiss Army knife? Let me know in the comments, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy it. My top 5 rarest Swiss Army knives. Number 5. Rothlisberger Type 1951 Soldier's Knife. Other than Victorinox and Wenger, Rothlisberger was the only other producer of Swiss soldier's knives after 1921, and made them only in 2 years, 1956 and 1957. Number 4. Leresche Company Type 1890 Soldier's Knife. The very first pocket knife used by the Swiss military from 1891 through 1900. Along with Elsener, Leresche Company from the Forges of Valour was one of the very first Swiss manufacturers. Number 3. Coutellerie Suisse Type 1908 Soldier's Knife. Used for only 1 or 2 years before the tang stamp was changed to Wenger & Company, 1908s with the Coutellerie Suisse stamp are rated as exceptionally rare. Number 2. Elsener Swiss Type 1903 Officer's Knife, also referred to as a Type 2 Model 1897. This knife has fiber scales with 4 visible pins, carries the optional shield for the time, and has carbon steel blades and tools. Dating from 1903 to 1909, its condition is excellent. Honorable mention: Victorinox Type 1923 Officer's Knife. With fiber scales, brass liners and pins, and stainless steel blades and tools, this knife was produced from 1923 until 1937. Its condition is also excellent. Number 1. Leresche Company Type 1901 Soldier's Knife. Much like the first model 1890 soldier's knife, but with fiber scales instead of wood. These early fiber scales fell apart, and as a result, many of these knives have been discarded. Produced from 1901 until 1908, they are the rarest type of Swiss soldier's knife.